Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can check your block list on Facebook. So block list is simply the list of all the people you have blocked on your Facebook. So you can go on the list to check who you have blocked on your Facebook, alright? So follow the steps which I'm going to show you in order to see your block list. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, after you open Facebook, at the bottom right you can see the menu option. You want to click on menu. Once you do that, it's going to bring you on your Facebook menu page. Over here, scroll a bit down until you see settings and privacy. Once you see settings and privacy, click on settings and privacy and click on settings. Now once you're inside your setting, at the top you can see the search icon. Click on search and write block, B-L-O-C-K, block. Once you search for block, it's going to show you blocking. Click on blocking and it's going to show you a list of all the people or all the account and page you have blocked. These are the list of people I have blocked. So I have only blocked 2, that's why it's showing me 2. If you have blocked many, it's going to show you many. So that's how we guys can see the people you have blocked or check your block list on Facebook. Now to unblock somebody from this list, just click on unblock right beside their name. Click on unblock and they will be unblocked. But remember, once you unblock somebody, you cannot block them again for 48 hours. So you need to wait for 2 days until you reblock them again, alright? So hope you understand how to check your block list on Facebook. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.